You are beautiful. Thank you.
Love your hair, bro. Thank you so much, broski. Appreciate you, my heart.
Yo, Speed, I heard you've been doing face care now. Your face is looking amazing. I love the way how your face looks. Oh, thank you, Felicia. Appreciate that.
Really, nigga?
Yo, Cobb, notice that your head is above your chair. Are we getting taller? I've been noticing your height has increased. Oh, thank you so much, Bob. Appreciate you, bro.
Yo, Sophia Lopez. Oh, Speed, I like the way that you look right now. Like, my pussy is getting wet. Yo, Sophia, relax. Sophia, relax. I have a girl, you know, we can't do that. But thank you, appreciate the compliment.
Damn. Ivory, oh my gosh, I like your dress and I like your nice smile. Yo, chill, I got a girlfriend, you wildin'.
Bruh.
Chill, stop.